Hey guys, throught here, and today I'm going to show you how you can install Android apps from APK files on Windows 11. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that the Amazon App Store is installed. So if you come to Start, and then search for Microsoft Store, and you open the Microsoft Store up, in the search bar at the top, if you then enter Amazon App Store, and you search for it, and then in the list of results if you find the Amazon App Store and go onto it, if you do not already have it installed, then you just need to click Install, and then download, and then we will agree to that, and it will now start downloading. And now the Amazon App Store is installed, we can now just close down these windows, and now if we come to Start and we search for Windows Subsystem for Android, and we open it up, it will now take us to the settings for the Windows Subsystem for Android. So this is a software that is going to allow us to run Android apps on Windows 11. So at this window here, you need to come to the Advanced Settings on the left hand side, and then in the advanced settings, you then need to just turn developer mode on. Now once you have developer mode turned on, you can now close this window, and then you want to come to this link here. Now the link will be in the description, and this is just the Wsa Pacman package manager that will make it much easier to install the Android apps without having to type out any sort of command line instructions. So if you just come to the GitHub repository and you come to releases, and then in releases if you get the latest release and download the exe file, and then once you have the exe file downloaded, if you just open it up, and then if you say yes, and you then just go through the installer, and now it's done installing, we can now click finish. So now if we come to Start again, and we search for Wsa Pacman, and we open Wsa Pacman up, now at the minute it says Wsa is turned off, so if we just turn it on, and then at the prompt that appears if we just allow it, and then if we click the re-authenticate button. Now if when you try to re-authenticate, if nothing happens, all you need to do is just click on developer options, and then you just need to scroll down until you find USB debugging, and then you just want to turn it off, and then back on again, and then if you click OK to allow USB debugging, and then if you come back again, and then if you get a window asking you to allow ADB debugging, all you want to do is just select always allow from this computer, and then allow. So now if we try to re-authenticate again, and there we go, Wsa is now successfully connected. So now we've set that up, we can now close this window, and you now just want to get whatever APK file you want to install. So I'm just going to download Floppy Bird, and then once you have the APK file, all you need to do is find where it is located, and then just double click it to run it, and then click install. And once it's finished installing, then you can just click open to open the app. And now it's just asking for permission, so I'll just click continue. And it's now just warning me that it was made for an older version of Android, but it should work okay. So if we now click OK, and we can now interact with the application. Now unfortunately, depending on the app, some apps won't work, as developers have put methods in place to detect things such as emulators, which will stop the app from working unfortunately. However, this method will allow you to use some other apps that are not currently available in the Amazon App Store. So guys, hopefully that worked for you. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.